Hi, my name's Luke. Welcome to my Chapter 1 presentation on Inspiro Community Health. So Rangers Community Health trades as Inspiro, and it's the premier non-for-profit health service run in the Shire of Yarra Ranges in Melbourne's Outer East. Inspiro offers a multitude of health services to the local community, as listed here, including a dietetics and nutrition program. Partnerships exist between Inspiro and the Department of Health and Human Services and the local council. However, it's important to note that there are partnerships between Inspiro and select local schools. All of these partnerships enable this project that we're going to do to be conducted. There are two dietitians at Inspiro. One is Karen, the clinical dietitian. The second is our supervisor, Tracy. Tracy has two main roles in the health promotion space at Inspiro across two sites. She works one day at the council implementing the Healthy Choices program into 6 sport and rec centres. The other 4 days she's at Inspiro. One day she does IT, data and statistics work, and the other 3 days she actually works in a health promotion capacity at Inspiro. The background for this project is that the DHHS runs a program that outlines the 7 areas of priority for a school's health and wellbeing program, as shown in the graphic at the bottom of the slide. One of those areas includes the healthy eating and nutrition policy, and this is highlighted in that graphic. Currently, however, no baseline data exists on what nutrition policies or programs or provisions are implemented in schools in our area. Inspiro and the DHHS want to know what aspects of nutrition policy are being carried out in schools. Our project will facilitate the beginning of and future collection of this sort of data from schools concerning their food environment and how they implement policy using a whole school approach as outlined in the graphic on the bottom right. These will feed into a larger database being collected by the DHHS concerning their overall Healthy Schools framework and their achievement recognition program. The goals, objectives and strategies of this project are outlined on this slide. However, the most important to note is the second objective, as this is where our project feeds into. We're doing the groundwork to provide baseline data for the team at Inspiro so that they can go and actively work on achieving this objective, and we're planning to do that through the strategies outlined. Our project forms part of the needs assessment component for a larger project to be conducted by Inspiro as part of this DHHS database. This breakdown of the PMC is there for a fulfillment of the PMC in the small project that we are completing, not the larger overarching project that it forms a part of. The 4 aspects of need have been considered. Most important to note is the felt need, which we will actually assess using a survey that we've created to see what the food environment in schools is currently to get this baseline data. The planning and implementation of this project is fairly self-explanatory given that, and our evaluation will ask the questions: did our audit encompass and successfully measure the aspects of the school food environment? And did our audit create an appropriate database that can be built on by those continuing the project? The baseline data of our project work will be used as a pre-test for any implementation of changes made, and Inspiro can then undertake a post-implementation survey to evaluate the success of changes made. But again, this is not within our scope. The project findings will be disseminated to the DHHS, to schools that we've audited, and we'll create a summary document for Inspiro and DHHS to advocate for further funding in the areas where the need was assessed. The social determinants of health are the real framework that underpin this project. There are many barriers to adequate food and nutrition under the social determinants of health, which are listed on the left, and the social determinants of health that are addressed by this project are listed on the right. All of these are targeted by the larger project as well as relevant policy from the department. This is our project timeline. It's quite detailed. There's many things to do. However, to note is that we have to be in schools and audit canteens and have that done by the end of week 3, as this is when Victorian public school holidays start, and then we'll use the last 2 weeks to assess this data and formulate our results and our report. Overall, really excited for this project, and I can't wait to see how it impacts the health and food environment in schools in the area. Thanks for watching.